Good evening and welcome. So rattled was the Maharashtra government in the Supreme Court today that they got caught in their own web of arguments, and they said that Sushant's case was, quote unquote, the Maharashtra government said Sushant's case was, quote unquote, normal. They said it's all normal. They said that the media is making a normal case abnormal. So for Uddhav Thackeray, Sushant's murder is normal. And for the Maharashtra government, everything's normal. So to the Maharashtra government, let me tell you today. Let me tell you, Uddhav Thackeray, what would be normal. It would be normal if after 58 days of Sushant being found dead, there would be an FIR in the case, in the place of the crime at least. That would be normal, but it isn't. There is no FIR. It would be normal if the Mumbai police did not declare Sushant's death as a suicide without an investigation, but they did. It would be normal if the Mumbai police or anybody in that room had one picture of Sushant's remains hanging. They don't. It would be normal if Sushant's body was not hanging diagonally, defying gravity. But it was. It would be normal if 2 ambulances were not sent for one deceased, but they were. It would also be normal if there were not 3 different versions on how Sushant's body was brought down, but there are 3 different versions. It would be normal if Sushant did not confide in a friend about speaking out on Disha's death just before his murder, but he did make that phone call. It would be normal if today in the top court questions were not raised about the bruises, marks and injuries on Sushant's body, but there were. It would be normal if there weren't unexplained transactions of Riya Chakravarti, but there are. And it would be normal if the Mumbai police did not extract Sushant's 74-year-old grieving father's statement moments after his son's death. But they did. So Uddhav Thackeray and Maharashtra government, don't you tell me, and don't you tell the people of India that this is a normal case. No one's buying it. And let me assure you, on the 58th night after Sushant was murdered, assure Sushant's 74-year-old father, who lamented about having no one to light his son's fire as per tradition, that Sushant's murderers will be dragged to face the law in this country, and justice will come. And the one thing about justice is that it cannot be airbrushed, it won't be bent, and it refuses to be half-baked. Justice will come roaring, justice will come unfiltered, and in its entirety, ladies and gentlemen, in its entirety, mark my words tonight, in its entirety. Sushant was murdered, we all think so.